Good morning, students. Now today we will we will study about the method of minimizing business risk. That means how to minimize the risk. So these are the following methods, 4 methods that can be adopted to minimize the risk of the business. First is prevention of risk. How we can prevent the risk? Many business risks arise due to the error in planning. Scientific forecasting of the future economic condition and efficient market planning help in reduce risk of overproductions, wrong products, defective distribution, etc. So that means sometimes the business risks arises due to the shortcomings, shortcomings in the planning. That means while planning they may not plan so scientifically, which may leads to the business risk. So if we plan properly about the future economic conditions and the efficient market and the future economic conditions, then we can reduce the risk of overproductions, means excess productions, wrong products, selecting wrong products, and then defective distributions, not improper distributions. So these types of risks can be reduced by planning it in a scientific ways. Next is bearing risk. Risk damage the economic condition of the business. Therefore, in years of profit, reserve fund should be created. Now this is the another way to minimize the business risks. That means while we are earning profit, we must keep aside a certain part of profits as a reserve, so that in future if any losses occurs, then we can cover it up. So this is bearing risk. Next is shifting of risk. Some of the risks of the business can be minimized by paying a price. That means, for example, a new company sells its shares and debentures through brokers. If these shares are not sold in public, the underwriters are purchase the unsold shares. They may give underwriting commissions for their work. Now in this case, what it is said that certain business risk can be minimized by paying a price. That means here an example is given that if generally company they sells shares and debentures through the broker, but if those shares and debentures are not sold out in the market, then in that case underwriter may purchase those shares and debentures and pay and can reduce the risk of the business. Spreading the risk, it is most widely used method in India. Under it, different causes of risk are insured and the insurance company bears this risk. So this is the most common way to minimize the risk, which is practiced in India. Here what happens, most of the things are insured with the insurance company and the insurance company bear the risks. So that's all with the business risk. Thank you, students.